Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off FIFA notification. So, let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in apps and perform your search. Now, tap on it. Then select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in FC Mobile and perform your search. Tap on it. Then select Notifications option. Now enable Show Notifications option. And that's it. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.